Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts. Let's go. Subscribe for daily in-depth technical analysis. Let's get straight into it, my friends. Alright, we're currently down 6.7%. We are showing nice buying pressure on these 920 levels. Alright, it's a really nice thing, and we want to see those levels hold in the coming day, because that will indicate that we are creating higher lows following trend line. Boom, boom, boom. And we'll be moving to the upside in the next week. So, this is what we need to watch out for today. Today, if we can see this push up and close above these 1034 levels, that is a stretch, but that would be the most bullish case scenario there. Moving into some lower time frames to give a more realistic goal. If we can push higher than these 10 levels today and close above the 10 levels, that will be a very good sign. That indicates these 920 levels are new support, and the buyers will step back in if it does decide to come back down. Moving into the 4-hourly candles, what we have here is a big green candle with volume overbearing previous. However, it is not that much volume. But we did see some buying pressure around these previous levels of support. So it's a pretty good thing, but it is not confirmed that we will continue higher just yet. It will be confirmed that we will continue higher once it breaks these 10 levels and bases on top moves higher. Alright, cool. When in doubt, zoom out. We're going to zoom out to the monthly candles. Boom, see what we're looking like here. Now, we have seen it come down all the way to a low of 5. Okay, that was last month, 5. Those of you in the Patreon got in around these levels. Congratulations. And now, this month, the low has been 7.6. Okay, so we are looking very bullish at this moment because we are in a green candle, and as it dipped, it didn't even dip 50% of this wick, which is a really good sign that the buyers are stepping back in, and a reversal is very likely to occur. I'm going to draw this Fibonacci level out for you guys so you can see what we're looking at. You see this? So it came down to the 786 level, showed some buying pressure. Now it's trying to break through the 618. It did, but then some sellers stepped back in and pushed it even lower. So what we want to see within this month, we want to see it close above these 618 levels. Alright, that is this month. Next month, we want to see it close above these 1368 levels. It's a beautiful thing. Now, this month, it could very well just spike even higher and go through these 16 levels easily. Alright, however, just at the minimum, we want to see it close above this 618 level. So, if you are looking to average in right now, could be a nice time to thicken up your bags a little bit. We are below the 10 levels, which is a great buying opportunity. However, I got in around the 6 levels. Alright, we're currently at the 9 levels, and I am going to wait because I don't want to have to raise my break-even point. Alright, I'm not being greedy with this. I'm just really being patient, because that's how you make money in the markets. So, if it drops lower, if it drops down to these 7.6 levels, then I will consider adding more. But even then, it will take a lot of convincing. But if it does drop below these 6 levels, then it's a definite buy for me. I'm definitely getting in. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to hold my bags that I have now to the upside. Crypto billionaire 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts and daily updates on the overall market. We have a beautiful community in the Patreon. And we talk every single day. It's a really great thing. I have been on a trip lately, on a road trip down in South Florida. So that's why I didn't post yesterday. However, there was nothing going on. If there was a super big catalyst or spike or something that went on, some price action really just showed itself, then I would definitely pop up and post for you guys. So I'm always here for you for Dogelon Mars. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto billionaire 69 out.